Looking to bring a cozy, festive touch to your Thanksgiving decor? Ever wonder how to make a wreath that feels uniquely yours and still captures the warmth of the season? In today's video, we're diving into the top Thanksgiving wreath ideas, from rustic and natural to chic and modern, that will make your door the talk of the neighborhood. Let's get inspired and create a holiday look you'll love. What are some classic Thanksgiving wreath ideas for a traditional look? Traditional Thanksgiving wreaths are all about capturing that classic warm autumn feel using timeless elements. Use natural elements like pine cones, acorns, and dried leaves for a rustic and authentic look. Add a pop of color with artificial pumpkins, red berries, and sprigs of wheat to bring in those signature fall shades. Finish it off with a burlap or plaid ribbon for a simple yet elegant touch. If you love the cozy classic look, hit that like button to let us know. How can I create a modern Thanksgiving wreath that still feels festive? Modern wreaths often use unexpected colors and materials to give a sleek twist to traditional Thanksgiving themes. Opt for a monochrome palette, like all-white pumpkins with greenery, or a neutral color scheme with metallic accents. Use unique materials like pampas grass, eucalyptus, or even succulents for a chic, minimalist look. Choose a sleek, geometric wreath base to add a contemporary vibe that stands out from classic circular forms. Love a modern look? Check the description for links to similar videos to inspire your decor style. What are some DIY ideas for a Thanksgiving wreath on a budget? A beautiful Thanksgiving wreath doesn't need to be expensive. There are many ways to create a charming DIY wreath without breaking the bank. Repurpose old decorations or use natural materials from your backyard, like pine cones, leaves, and branches. Create paper flowers or fabric leaves from leftover craft materials to add color and texture. Use a foam or cardboard base instead of store-bought wreath forms to save on materials while still creating a solid structure. On a budget? Save this video to your playlist for affordable decor ideas anytime. How can I make a Thanksgiving wreath that incorporates fall scents? Fall-scented wreaths add an aromatic touch to your decor, making guests feel welcomed with the cozy smell of autumn. Add dried cinnamon sticks, which not only look great, but fill the air with a warm, inviting scent. Use dried orange slices for a citrusy fragrance that blends beautifully with other fall elements. Eucalyptus or lavender sprigs add a fresh, earthy aroma that complements fall scents perfectly. If you love the idea of a scented wreath, drop a comment below and tell us your favorite fall scent. What are some outdoor-friendly Thanksgiving wreath ideas that can withstand the elements? Outdoor-friendly wreaths are ideal for front doors, and using durable materials ensures they stay beautiful throughout the season. Use faux materials like artificial leaves, berries, and pumpkins that won't weather as quickly as natural elements. Choose a sturdy metal or grapevine wreath base that can handle windy or rainy days without losing shape. Seal your wreath with a waterproof spray to help protect any natural or fabric elements you may want to use. For more outdoor decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for our upcoming seasonal decor videos. How can I make my Thanksgiving wreath unique and personal? Adding personal touches to your wreath allows you to create a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your style and memories. Incorporate family mementos, like small picture frames or initials, for a touch of nostalgia and warmth. Use colors and themes that match your home's interior, like metallics for a modern look or rustic tones for a farmhouse feel. Add a handwritten message or a small chalkboard with a Thanksgiving greeting to make it uniquely yours. Excited to make your wreath unique? Tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on future DIY tutorials. How can you make a Thanksgiving wreath that looks luxurious? If you want your Thanksgiving wreath to have a more luxurious, high-end look, a few key materials and design choices can make all the difference. Here's how to create an elegant, upscale wreath for your front door. Velvet ribbon and flowers. Incorporate velvet ribbon in rich shades like burgundy or emerald green. Add large, statement flowers like dahlias or peonies to give your wreath a lush, luxurious feel. Ornamental accents. Use ornaments like pearl accents, gilded leaves, or metallic berries. These embellishments catch the light and add a touch of glamour, making your wreath look high-end and elegant. Layered greenery. Create depth by layering different types of greenery, such as eucalyptus, magnolia leaves, and ivy. This mix of textures gives your wreath a full, dynamic look that feels natural yet refined. If you're loving these luxurious ideas, give this video a like, and check out the description for links to some of my favorite wreath-making supplies. What are some classic Thanksgiving wreath ideas? Classic Thanksgiving wreaths capture the essence of the season with timeless elements like autumn leaves and berries. Here are some ideas to create a welcoming, traditional wreath for your front door. Autumn leaves wreath. Use a base of fall-colored leaves in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Add acorns, small pine cones, and mini pumpkins to give it extra dimension and a classic fall look that never goes out of style. Cornucopia wreath. Incorporate mini gourds, corn husks, and dried flowers into your wreath for a cornucopia-inspired design. This idea brings a sense of harvest abundance to your entryway and is perfect for Thanksgiving. Berry and twig wreath. Use a mix of twigs and berries in deep autumn colors like cranberry and burnt orange. This simple yet classic design adds a pop of color to your door and pairs well with other Thanksgiving decor. If these classic ideas are inspiring you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love decorating their homes for Thanksgiving. So there you have it, some fantastic Thanksgiving wreath ideas to suit every style, whether you're all about tradition or want to try something new and modern. We hope these tips inspire you to create a wreath that celebrates the warmth of Thanksgiving and brings joy to your home. Happy crafting and happy Thanksgiving!